Friday, November 29th. This is the celebration of funk. Coming to Chicago, featuring George Clinton and Parliament Funkadelic.
Well, all right. Gotcha.
Friday, November 29th at the venue inside the Horseshoe Casino. George Clinton and Parliament Funkadelic for a celebration of funk with the Ohio Players. That's right, the Ohio Players, plus a special guest host to be announced. A celebration of funk with Sons of Slave. Get tickets now at Ticketmaster.com. For one of the hottest concerts to celebrate funk. The celebration of funk with George Clinton and Parliament Funkadelic. And the Ohio Players and Sons of Slave. Friday, November 29th. You must be 21 to enter the casino.